Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue. Today we are going to learn about the how to create a CRUD operations using the vuex in Vue 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that I can add an item over here, right? You can see add item, then I can edit that item also. Okay, you can see edit that item. I can edit this item also. 2 save this, you can see update it, and if I want to delete, then delete also. Okay, so this thing we are going to learn in this video, so let's get started. So here we have the code. First we will go with the app.vue, right? So I will explain you step by step using the vuex how we are going to create that one. Okay, the store. So this is the template file where we first fetch all the list of the items from the item.name, right? And here we have a two button, edit and the delete. So respective methods are there, edit item and the delete item. If editing is there, then this div will open with the button save and the cancel edit one. Okay. Next we have a form that add new item. Okay. Next, we have the script, we have a map actions and the map getters. So what exactly it is? Let's dive into this one. So map actions and the map getters are the helper functions provided by the Vuex that allow you to easily map Vuex actions and the getters to your Vue components, methods, and computed properties respectively. Map actions help us to map Vue actions to the local methods in the Vue component. So map actions are basically the Vue actions to map the local methods in a Vue component. It simplifies that process of connecting the Vue actions to the component methods, allowing you to directly use these actions within the component without explicitly calling store to dispatch. So you don't need to require, whenever we call the actions, we always use store.dispatch. But if you are using the map.x map actions, then you don't need it. You can refer it as a this dot the method name. Okay, let's see that. Here we have a map actions, right? So here we go with the map actions. So here we have map actions, we have add item, update item and the remove item. So let's check these actions over here. Okay, so here you can see we have referred via this dot add item. Okay, so add item, if I go to the store, okay, so here we go with this one. So here we have actions, that is add item. So I don't require that I will dispatch using the this dot store method, right? So if you are using the map actions, then definitely you will reference there with the help of the this. Okay, so the next one, here you can see map actions, add item, remove item, maps, add item and the remove item actions, right? So these are the actions. Okay, next we have the with map actions. The add item and remove item actions from the vuex store are available directly as methods within the component, and you can use them like this dot add item and this dot remove item. Got it? Next, then we have a map getters. Map getter works similar to the map actions, but it is used for the vuex getters. It helps to map vuex getters to local computed properties in a Vue component. So these are the map getters: get all items, get items by id, and okay, so these are the map getters and the map actions. I hope you clear on that. Okay, let's continue the code. Okay, so here we have the first, we have the data computed map getters. So that we have map getters get all items. Okay, then the by default initial state, you can say that the variables are empty, right? Then we have a methods, that is add item, add new item. So here we are calling the add new item logic. Okay, then we have a edit item, then save that item. So this is, then after that we are dispatching the actions over here, update item. So if I go and check over here, update item, not this store. Okay, here we have a actions update item, then we will commit that one, and here we have the add item mutation. So it directly push the items in the state, and it will return that one, and we will fetch the data from the state and show that into the for each loop, right? So here we go with that one. Okay, this is save and edit, this is cancel edit. Okay, is edit false, edited name blank, and the item id should be null. Delete, so basically we are sending the item id, and this remove delete from the store.js file, come over here. Okay, then remove and then commit that, and after committing it will this will call this mutation remove item. So we are returning the state by removing that id, filtering that id. Okay, so first, this is the full-fledged code of that one app view completed. Okay, so this is that one. Next, go to the store.js file. Okay, so here we go with the store. So now we are going to create the store store.js file. So create store from the vuex, create store. So by default, the states are the two, item one and item two. Add more if you want. Mutations we have add item, update item, and the remove item. Then actions we have add item, update item, and the remove item. Okay, then we have the getters, get all items, and the get item by id. Okay, then export default as a store. Then we are going to include into our main.js file. So store from the store, create app, view app.use store, app.use router, app.mount app. So by doing this one, you are able to create a nice CRUD operation using the vuex with Vue 3. Any doubt, any query in that? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.